Welcome to ALLINKLCOM, your all-inclusive destination for web hosting, domains, and managed servers. Founded in Saxony in 2000, we've grown into one of Germany's most trusted web hosting providers. With over 2 million domains, 5 million registered mail accounts, and over 25 years of experience. At ALLINKLCOM, our all-inclusive philosophy stands for transparent terms, exceptional value, and reliable 24/7 customer support. We prioritize your data speed, security, and sustainability. Our data centers in Dresden deliver high-speed performance, run on 100% green electricity in accordance with the highest security standards. Enjoy one-click installations of popular software such as WordPress, Shopware, Joomla, or Typo3, simplified domain management, and scalable hosting. From flexible web hosting plans like private to e-commerce websites to managed servers. ALLINKLCOM. Easy, flexible, and secure. Create your website today.